me, Aishenta represent for Michael Super Awesome Channel. Like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell. So the content then drop and you get it first.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all doing great. I hope you all doing well. So you know the do. So just what? Do the do now. Like, comment and share. And if you are new, I would love you to subscribe to my channel. When you do subscribe, just turn on the notification bell. Put it on all so that when we drop a video, you are going to be the first one to be notified. Ads are placed on the video, so please viewers and subscribers, watch them out for me now. Manners, and thanks for doing so. We are in the district of Trinityville, which is in St. Thomas. As you can see what they are doing in this district at this present moment, they're putting down some more mall. So they might prepare the road for more asphalt. As you can see, there are more mall. So in this video, viewers and subscribers, family subs, we're gonna take you on a journey to let you see how far the mall will reach in the district of Trinityville, okay? And we also gonna show you where do not mall as yet, or no preparation start in that area as yet in the district, okay? So just continue watch your video. Hope you all enjoy it. We are in the district of Trinityville, St. Thomas. Bless up. So viewers and subscribers, you know, so after the mauling it, I go be aisle. So them sunny where them a dump out now for the island. So you know the island or the far. You get what I say? Because when the island road you have to use, the sun you have to use after throwing the aisle. Okay, viewers and subscribers. So you can see the truck them a prepare a dump out the sun. So the island or the far. The island can be tomorrow, it can be anytime. So as long as you subscribe to the channel, you will see. This is Trinityville right at Blue Diamond. Okay, as you can see the sun heat them there, ready and waiting for enter them start to aisle. Okay viewers, so continue watch the video, much more for you to see. Manners and respect, bless up. So let's start our journey now to let you see where the mauling reach in the community. Okay viewers and subscribers, so we are start from around a breakdown, original breakdown, that's where you find the same Blue Diamond. Yes, so we're going to take you in the district of Trinityville now to let you all see how far the mauling reach in the district, okay? So, ready? Get on board. Let's go. So viewers and subscribers, for you follow the channel, you will know that the asphalting stop right at Blue Diamond. Coming from Colelat side, coming up in the district. So what them do now is prepare more road in the district so them can put on more asphalting. You understand me, I say viewers? So what them do, them prepare by mauling back the road now, grade it off, get it on a level. Then now them go aisle it and then go sand it. So the next thing after that, you know, is asphalting. You get what I say, viewers? Yes, so the asphalting don't reach up in the district. As you can see, it stopped at Blue Diamond in Colelat. Okay, viewers and subscribers coming from Seafood, coming up, it stopped at Blue Diamond. So prepare more road to bring it more up in the district. Okay, viewers, manners and respect. Continue watching the video. Bless you. So the original people who know Trinityville now, we are heading right at Posh, original Posh, which was tuned bicycle tire and bike tire and all, rim and all them something there. Yeah, that's right, that's how we're in at Trinityville now. You get what me I say? Yeah man, Posh resident, late great Posh. Yes, me I say me soul rest in peace. So anyway, we're still going up more in the district to let you know all see how far the mall in reach. You get what me I say? So continue watch the video now. Continue do the do now. You know it already, you know. Hey man, at the great Gladiator reach, you know. Original Bunny Fed. Big up yourself, Fed, anywhere you're there. At Trinityville winner, you know. The presser there do its thing, you get what me I say? Yeah man, original man and man. No matter on the day in the world, big up on yourself, you know. Big up to all my subscribers, all the people who are growing this channel from strength to strength, you know. We say big up on yourself, you know. Manners and respect, man. Yeah man, we are heading right at the resident of the great Fat Stuff. Remember Fat Stuff? We're no longer here no more, still may him soul rest in peace. You get what me I say? Yeah man, so that's how we're there. In a Trinityville going up to make you all see how far the mall in reach. Bless up. Yeah man, we're about to pass one time business place of Pops, you know me I say, Sal City Lane. So me I make you know which part there, you get what me I say? Yeah man, that is Sal City Lane over there on your left. We just passed the building there one time gone the great Pops. You know, Miss Ronnie, you just run them place. You get what me I say, viewers and subscribers. Original man, them one know Trinityville, you know. So no must know me I talk about, you know, man and woman and everybody, you know. Whosoever don't know Trinityville, you can't know it now. You get what I say, viewers? Yeah man, by watching this video. So continue, you know. Bless up. So now that we come to the end of the mall in, viewers and subscribers, this is where the mall ends in Trinityville. So all that I show you a while ago, that ready now, the sun and aisle and take asphalt as soon as I'm ready. Okay? So now I'm gonna show you a little bit more up in the district now where the mall is yet. Okay, viewers? So we are heading to the police station now, the Trinityville police station, where there's no mall as yet. No malling, so from no malling you can know there is no sanding, no asphalting. Okay, viewers? Bless up. Continue watch the video. We are in the district of Trinityville, St. Thomas. So viewers, as you all can see, we are right at Guinea Tree. Okay, yeah man, right at Guinea Tree, at stepper, right there, so we there. You get what I say? So in the district of Trinityville, right at Guinea Tree, we are showing you, if you notice, you can see it, nothing I've done here, so as yet to the road. You get what I say? Everything remain the same. All work have been done, no start here, so as yet, as you all can see. Water still there, wall still there, everything still there. So a lot of work need to be done here. So okay? So viewers and subscribers, now that we come to the end of another video, you know, bless up to all the people, you know, who subscribe to my channel. If you're new and subscribe, you know, bless up, you know, if you watch out the ads, me thanks for doing so, you know. And if you leave a comment, yeah man, get active man, that's where you speak your mind. You get what I say, viewers and subscribers. So we say, see you people in the next video, you know. Safe travel upon the gravel, you know. Yeah man, big up to all my new subscribers, you know. Welcome to the family. I'm out. Bless up.